Okay, so today guys I'm going to talk you through how to add an inch to your calves. I'm here in Phuket, Thailand, and I'm going to give you some training tips. But before we begin, if you guys want any one-to-one coaching to help you get the best shape of your life, hit the link below in the summary to apply to work with me or one of my team. Now, into the video. So calves are a muscle group a lot of people struggle to develop, and that's mainly down to training execution, and then secondly, not doing enough training frequency, as in training the muscle enough, and enough training volume is a constant issue we tend to see. So people moan their calves are too small, they don't actually train their calves, don't train their calves very hard, and don't consciously think about what they're doing. So today I'm going to give you 3 simple tips that will help you to add an inch onto your calves. So in terms of machines, we're going to start with standing calf raise, and we're going to use this to give you some key cues which will help you get the most from your calf training. Now, a very simple tip, first one is the footwear you decide to use. Now this made a massive difference to me, and the big thing I use, I'm very flat-footed, so I struggle to feel through my feet, so I recommend highly using Vibrams. If you scroll down, see Jazzy footwear. So that will allow me to feel through the toe of my foot, through the ball of my foot here. So when I contract, I can feel the floor and feel everything working and firing up through the calf. Whereas if you've got thick-soled shoes on, you can't feel anything through your feet, and you're not going to get any contraction through the foot and coming through the calf. So point number 1, make sure you have the right shoes, either it's just Vibrams or barefoot. Now second point, we're now going to go into the calf raise, and I'm going to show you a sneak little tip. So firstly, a lot of people tend to train calves too heavy. You don't need huge amounts of weight because you want to make sure you get a full range of motion and maximum contraction at the top and maximum stretch at the bottom. So choose the appropriate weight. You can have a standing calf raise which has got a curved foot plate, so that will allow you to get a full contraction over the top. Now, the simple tip that I want you guys to think about here is when you get to the top of the calf raise, actually contract your calves and also contract your quads, because when you contract your quads here, it will consciously make you contract your calves harder. So the tip, as we come up, then contract your quads, will make you contract your calves harder. So down and up, contract your quads. So that's tip number 2, contract your quads. So I'm going to give you an example on the calf raise now of how I would contract my quads using the calf raise. So that's a very simple tip, tip number 2. So when you come up to the top of the calf raise, really contract your quads, and that will make you fire your calves even harder to get a better contraction. So third tip, number 3, is finish up. What we need to do is think about pushing the ball of your foot forward as you come up in the calf raise position. So I'll show you what I mean here on the calf raise on the platform. Make sure our foot's far enough forward, and we try and push this forward. So push there, forward as you come up. So constantly think about pushing here. Don't roll your ankle out, you want to go forward and drive that forward. So again, when it comes to trying to drive the foot forward, that's also why it's important to have a rounded foot plate, because it will allow you to pivot your foot further over there. So these are 3 points that will make a big difference to you in your calf training. Please implement these now and let me know what you think. In terms of calf training, in terms of volume and frequency, I'd recommend to train calves at least every 3 days. And in terms of sets and volume, I personally like quite high reps, 15 to 20 reps, drop sets, 4 to 5 sets per session works best. You want to do a combination of a standing calf raise or something with your legs straight, because that trains your gastrocnemius, and also you want to do a calf variation with your knee bent, because that will train the soleus, which is the biggest calf muscle. So you want a combination of bent knee training, straight leg training to build your calf. So give this a go, guys. Drop me a comment below with any questions. And always, if you need any coaching help, hit the link in the summary below. We'd love to have you on board with the team.